Our authorised installer, First Electrical Bristol, successfully delivered the installation of 5 INTELLI HEAT iSense smart IoT-connected heating systems, providing the client with improved energy efficiency and precise temperature control. The 5 luxurious flats project involved integrating the iSense system seamlessly with the existing electrical setup, ensuring reliable performance and user-friendly IoT heating management. By combining technical expertise with attention to detail, First Electrical Bristol helped modernize the property's smart heating and the cloud-based management control, enhancing comfort while supporting smarter energy management.
While I